people keep coming past and saying how much they love it, and you know, it's created a real buzz around here where there was just a big grey wall before. We have a similar style of painting. We're both very much into effects and use a lot of aerosol and sort of thing, and I've always liked his work, so yeah. The wall is really trying to incorporate all the different things that came up during the process of developing the artwork. And something that's really great about working with kids is they always have these fresh ideas and they come out with things you would just never expect.
A big part of the involving the kids is that it's like creating memories. You know, it is their own neighborhood, you know.
And it might not seem like much or even take very long, but that's something they'll probably remember their whole lives, you know, like especially if they never do something like that, you know what I mean? They might, you know, it might be the one time in their life they painted a mural, so.